Here at the parking lot, Athens, Clark, where there used to be the old sewage treatment plant, the open tank ones, before the new over there. This is July 26, 2024, Friday, 89 degrees, 88% humidity, going down to 70 tonight. It is oppressive. I have just hydrated with a whole bottle of Powerade, and we're going to ride the bike along the trail. And we may end up getting soaking wet from the rain, but we'll see. It is hard to get and keep this camera angle right on the head. Hopefully we've got it right. I've had to throw away a lot of video that would be pretty good video. It gets canted to the right. So this used to be the Athens Clark sewage treatment plant. Now the new facility is over there. I say new, but okay, yeah, this is a rad mini folding bike, 750 watts. We've got 5 bars of power, 97 miles. But I took a master naturalist class back in 2015, and the new treatment plant had not been open but a few years, I guess. I'm not sure. But anyway, long story short, we used to fish in the Oconee River, catching huge brim, biggest brim I've ever seen. And when I took that master naturalist class, they told us that Athens Clark did not have a sewage treatment plant at all until 1966. And so all the sewage went directly into the Oconee River. So that is why those brim were so big. They were delicious too. They are getting ready to make some more parking space down here. It's under construction. There are times when this parking lot is slept full. School will be back maybe next week, week after. Won't be too long. School will be back in. And I think about 35,000 students will be filling up Athens, Clark County. Right now we're pedaling. We're using pedal assist, but we're not using any throttle. Well, look, they got a bunch of bikes. I wonder how this setup is. That's interesting. I guess you have to pay. You have a charge card or something other? How would you do that? Huh. Let's check them out. Let's see what this is. I wonder if you got unlock and ride, secure cable lock, 2 locking options. Huh. You probably have to, you reckon you got to have a code to unlock and ride? This is not a seat. Maximum weight 25 pounds. Well, there's the charger. All right, no, I guess that's the motor going to the motor. Huh. I don't see how you charge it. Now these, are they the same? I guess they're the same size. I got them staggered. It just made them look like some of them were bigger than the others. Huh. LYFT, is that one of those services? Maybe they're contracting with the university, or maybe maybe it's a vendor setup. I don't know. Somebody check it out for me and get back. Yeah, I checked with the Athens Clark Recreation Department, Parks and Recreation, and they said that this bike is legal on the, because you know a lot of the signs say no motorized vehicles. And we have a video of this trail, but I don't know that we ever posted it. You can't get that close to the river. The last time we were on here, we couldn't even see the river hardly. I guess they were putting in more drainage for the parking lot for the last couple of weeks. It's been closed. Bugs, like a motorcycle. Get bugs in the eye, in your face. Eating bugs. Eating bugs. We'll try not to catch people close up or whatever. Now the North Oconee is right over there to the right, and the water coming out of the treatment plant is right here. It's coming out from there. It dumps into the river over there. I don't know how waterproof this thing is. We're planning on going to Sandersville in the morning, or maybe this afternoon. Don't know where we'd stay, but they're supposed to have the, not the opening, but the groundbreaking ceremony of the extension of the Firefly Trail that will connect Athens and Savannah. I think about 270 miles. Supposedly the longest trail in the U.S. once it is completed. Now this part of the trail wasn't here the last time we were on it. And we don't need to be using throttle, we need to pedal, don't we? There's the North Oconee. Like we watch our little mirror over here on the side. I said we're using pedal assist 1. 69 watts. And again, depending on how much you pedal, how much you use throttle, what pedal assist you use, what terrain you're on, You know, there are a bunch of factors go into battery life, or mileage per battery, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm noticing about between 35 and 55 miles a charge. I think you could maximize it to 75 or 80 depending on your pedaling. I don't normally pedal that much. I've got to build my legs up. Yeah, the river's real muddy and up. There's been a lot of rain. Yeah, 17 miles an hour. We gotta be careful. We'll break our silly neck. Is this dead end down here? We're going to have to use pedal assist or throttle or both on this. We may get wet, folks. Y'all bring an umbrella? Where is this coming out at? I don't recognize this. Okay, this must be coming out on Barnett Shoals. Okay, let's turn around and head back. We'll try not to get these runners. Let's go ahead and cut it off.